Hello everyone, welcome back to Prodhar channel. Today we are discussing tips to decorate your home with waste paper. Home decor is a topic that indeed gets everyone on their toes and wanting to decorate right away. It is so beautiful to have an idea in your head and see it come so beautifully into life and be a part of your home. If you think of home decor, it indeed makes you feel much more energetic than usual, and you can basically feel creativity flowing through your head to get your home look prettier than ever. But there are times when you feel like the unique ideas you usually think are about stalling. Well, if you come to think of something creative and you want to do it with your hands and mind, but something you find more frustrating is when you do not come up with the exciting ideas, right? You might just try to think like you want to redecorate your home with a few waste papers or make the best of waste paper. While you think of several ideas after you have already disposed of the papers, it is worth finding a few ideas now itself for the next time you see some ideal papers lying around. But before we begin with the DIY waste paper home decor, let us see why recycling paper in any way is so important. Here's why you must recycle paper. Think of all the living beings on earth. Why do we respire? Yes, of course, by the oxygen provided by these trees. But unfortunately, the growing of used paper is causing massive scale deforestation. Hence, oxygen levels are depleting and polluted air is increasing. Are you feeling hotter than usual lately? You can all thank all the industries, including the paper production industry, for it. Paper production requires a lot of heat production and emission of greenhouse gases. While paper production emits a lot of greenhouse gases, paper recycling does not require the same evil. Hence, you contribute to lowering global temperature levels with your easy waste paper home decor. Now, why would paper be needed if we do not even survive to use it? So, for the solution, if you recycle even a minimal amount of waste paper, you may even help the planet survive a single moment more. Consider the future of the world and what levels our creativity and technology will take us to. Needless to say, the future seems like it is going to be straight out of a sci fi movie, and the whole process of extreme technology advancements will sure require a lot of energy consumption. Though, considering the present energy consumption and the depleting resources levels, will more likely not let the futuristic ideas of the world see the daylight. But as the recycled paper requires much less energy than paper production from scratch, paper recycling can help the modern world come into being. And some ideas like recycling paper into home decor neither requires energy nor adds to the alarming global pollution. Here are a few ways to get the absolute best of waste paper and add to the charisma of your home. DIY waste paper home decor, butterfly and flower frames. Newspapers are a common waste paper material at home. Though it can be given for recycling, you can create some chic background and decor with waste paper and newspaper. Begin with taking 8 newspaper pieces cut into squares of dimensions of your choice. Diagonally roll these pieces into small tubes. Create 8 such small tubes. Arrange these tubes into a frame by placing 2 tubes together at a side and completing the 4 sides. Place small origami flowers at each corner of the frame, along with easy origami butterflies made from the newspaper itself. If a newspaper aesthetic is your choice, let the frame be as it is, or paint the frame with the color of your choice. Make more such frames of varying dimensions and colors, arranging them on a wall as you wish. Waste paper dream catcher. The ink on magazines and printed glossy paper is toxic for the environment if released without care. So you can send the magazine paper for recycling or use it for home decor before you do so. Here is how. Take 7 bangles and decorate their sides with non-toxic glitter. Now keep a bangle in the middle and securely glue the other 6 bangles all around it, making a circle of bangles around that one bangle. You can use paint if you wish to change the color. Now take a magazine paper and cut down strips of half an inch wide and about 8 inches long. Fold this paper as you would fold a paper hand, fun by alternating folds. Soon you will have a mini cute and hand fan shaped stripes. Glue the ends just as you would to a hand fan. You will need 6 mini hand fans for the 6 outer bangles. Glue these to the outer crevices where 2 bangles meet. You can also paste mini origami flowers on the edge of the inner bangle of the circle. Hang twines of length similar to a dream catcher hanging and hang small flowers from these twines. You can paint these twines to match the rest of the dream catcher. Hang the twines from the bangles and you are done. Waste paper backdrop. Want a chic backdrop for your room? While pasted backdrops can be a bit expensive and are mostly avoidable, you can create a totally elegant backdrop for your room using just newspaper and magazine papers. While this is an easy waste paper home decor, you will need to trust the process for it. Tear the magazine papers into two at a random and do the same to the newspaper. As you make a whole heap of this, begin pasting it on your wall using glue gun or tape. Paste papers at random and add magazine cuttings wherever you wish. Now sit back and admire your wall of art. You can randomly change the magazine cuttings whenever you want and keep on recycling. Gloss paper flower backdrop. Receiving gloss paper as a gift wrap or in other packages is a fairly common thing. But remember that it is not very healthy for our planet. Make sure you recycle it according to the suggestions provided. But before that, turn it into home decor. Cut petals of various dimensions, sizes, and shapes. Arrange these into flowers onto your wall and paste. You can cover your entire wall with the flower backdrop and you are done. You could cut small leaf shapes to accompany the flowers or paint leaves directly onto the wall if you wish to. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like the video, please like, comment and share, and you can subscribe to Prodhart channel.